Welcome to Cooking with Glenn and Katie. Today we'll be making some make-it-your-own cookies. In doing that, we have a basic batter recipe, and then we get to pick out the add-ins that we're going to put in there, which makes it our own. So let's get started.
We preheated the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and now while it's preheating, Lincoln and I are going to go ahead and start making the cookies. Are you ready, Lincoln? Yes! So Lincoln, first we're going to add 2 1/4 cups of self-rising flour. Lincoln, would you mind pouring these in, please? So here's the first cup of 2 1/4. Pour it in right here. Excellent job. Let's shake, 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 shake. Excellent. Can you add in the second of the 2 1/4 cups?
She never.
Oh yes, we'll do that right now.
Yeah.
Are you ready to add the last 1/4 cup of self-rising flour? Perfect, Lincoln. Now we're going to add, let's see, we're going to add 1 cup of light brown sugar now, and we packed that good. Oh wow, that was great. We dumped that in there and made things fly, didn't it? Okay. Now can you add 1/2 of a cup of white sugar, but lower so it doesn't spew out, because we really don't want it spewing out. Excellent work, excellent work. It looks so good already. Can you add in now, would you add in 2 sticks of softened butter? Let's see if they'll just plop. They plopped right out, didn't they? This is wonderful. Okay, now, and Lincoln, just so you know, 2 sticks of softened butter equals 1 cup of butter. That's interesting, isn't it? The 2 sticks make 1 cup. But now we're gonna add in 2 eggs, Lincoln. So let me slide over these eggs. And can you tell us who these eggs are from?
From Aunt Betsy's chicken.
Yeah, it's from Aunt Betsy's chickens. Now I want you to pick out your 2 favorites. Oh, good job cracking. I heard the crack there.
Is there one more?
Great job with that, Lincoln. We're gonna put them in 2 separate bowls because we always like to make sure. Yes, excellent. Let's see where that crack was. You're such a good egg cracker. You know, I need you to give it one more good, oh, I think I found the crack at the edge. Great job, there's a crack right there. Excellent work, excellent work. So now, Lincoln, if you wouldn't mind, please go ahead and pour those 2 cracked eggs into the bowl, gently so they don't spill. Just take your time, you're doing so good. Excellent work. Wonderful. Now add in the second egg, and I'll get your finger all wiped up. We're gonna clean you up real good after we pour this last little bit
Let me
in.
wipe all my fingers.
Okay, we'll also wipe your hands too. Perfect! Now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Perfect, Lincoln. And now we're gonna clean up our hands and then start mixing the batter, okay? All right, Lincoln, let's go ahead and put this on the KitchenAid, okay? So we can get this all mixed. We're gonna lock this in place. Everything put together.
Water.
Oh yes, I'll get you water in just a second. Can you go ahead and lock it for me? Good job. Now it's time to start mixing. Go ahead and push it up. Perfect. Now we're gonna let all of the ingredients get incorporated together. And if we need to stop it in a little bit and use our spatulas, we can. But for now, we'll just stick with this like this.
Wow, look how it mixed up. Show the people.
Yes, Lincoln wants to show the people, everyone watching, all of our viewers, how it's mixing up so well. Isn't it great? Do you smell the vanilla in there, Lincoln?
Yes.
Okay, now we can go ahead and turn it up a little bit more. That's okay, no problem.
Yes.
This is really good. We're really beating it. I take it down 1. There we go. Perfect.
Yes.
Yes, this is so good. Look at that beautiful batter. And we're just gonna get this nice and blended. You're doing a great job, Lincoln.
Maybe we just need some a little bit.
Yeah, let's look at it.
Okay.
Let's look at it. Now we need to unlock it. Let's unlock it. And just lift it up. Great job. Oh, wow.
We need spatula.
We need our spatulas, don't we? And when we get the batter off, yes, you take it now. When you get the batter off, just be real gentle to make sure it stays into the bowl, okay? Good job getting the batter off of there.
Tell people what doing right now.
Oh, do you want to tell them what you're doing?
No, you.
Okay, well, viewers, Lincoln wants you to know that he's using his spatula to get it off of the beater. That way we can assess if everything's mixed. We can also use our spatulas to scrape along the sides if we need to. Is that right? It's a thick, this is actually not too thick of a batter, but thicker than sometimes. So it definitely takes a little bit of effort. But oh my goodness, that's just gonna make it an even more delicious cookie.
It's the yummiest cookie we ever made!
Yes, the yummiest cookie we've ever made. Okay, now Lincoln, it's time to add some add-ins. Would you like to do that?
Yes!
So first thing, Lincoln, we have are pecans that we broke up by hand, okay? They're very soft, very easy to break up by hand. So some pecans. We also have some white chocolate and, can you show this, Lincoln? Can you say some semi-sweet chocolate?
Semi-sweet chocolate.
Yes, let's show it right here. Good job. And let me tell about these to our viewers really quickly, Lincoln. Okay, so you can add in what is best for you, but we actually just took a bar of semi-sweet chocolate and a bar of white chocolate, the baking bars. When we broke them up, we just made small chunks. Okay, Lincoln, which one do you want to add in first? Do you want to add in the pecans? Oh, great job. So Lincoln, we just added in 1 cup of hand broken up pecans. Lincoln, we just added in 1 cup of the pecans that we broke up by hand. Now let's add in 1/2 cup of broken up chunks of the white chocolate. Excellent. And then 1 more 1/2 cup of the broken up semi-sweet chocolate chunks. So we're gonna go ahead and blend this, Lincoln, okay? So that was 1 cup of pecans plus 1/2 cup each of the white and semi-sweet chocolate chunks for a total of 2 cups of mix-ins. So let's go ahead and just turn the... I know you do. We'll get you some more chocolate in a little bit, but let's go ahead and turn on the mixer just to blend it.
Wow, look at that mixing.
Look at that.
So fluor.
Is that so neat?
So fluor.
Oh yes, viewers, Lincoln wants you to see the mix-in. How everything is being incorporated.
Wow, maybe we need to turn.
Let's turn it off over here. I think you're right. I think it's well blended. And let's go ahead and lift this up, Lincoln. And then I would love for you to use your spatula.
Show viewers how much it got.
Well, viewers,
Yeah,
look at this. You want to show them? Can you push it down for them so they can see how easily it was to incorporate those chunks and nuts, the chocolate chunks, and the pecans? Wow, look at this. Oh, this batter looks delicious, doesn't it, Lincoln? Are you about ready to put these on the pan and get them baking so we can try them?
Not yet. That.
Oh, that's our secret ingredient that we'll save for last to show everyone, okay? So we're gonna first put these up, and then viewers, we do have a little fun thing at the very end. Okay, Lincoln, now that we have folded in all of the mix-ins, let's go ahead and put the cookies on the ungreased cookie sheet, okay? Here, and you're so good at this, let's go ahead and get the scooper in the water and shake it out.
Show viewers how we do this.
You show them, absolutely. Just show the viewers how we do it, absolutely.
No, you do it.
You're doing it. Now smush it against the side really good.
You show you.
You're showing them and get really close to the
No, we don't have the dot.
We don't have dots today, but we're gonna just go for it. When Mommy says put it, you put it right there, okay? Just put it down right here and smush it in. Oh, excellent job.
What?
Okay, viewers, now we have found that if you get water, actually we need to scoop it real good to get the water inside. If you get water inside and then shake the water out, perfect. Lincoln has just put it in water to help the batter come easily out of the scoop. Then he's gonna scoop the batter out the sides. Oh, we need to get a full scoop. And don't worry, it's easy to get messy when you're doing cookies. But get a full scoop and scrape it up the side. excellent work. Now Lincoln just did that. Now he's gonna come right over here, get close to the pan, and he's gonna drop the cookie right on out. And then we're gonna repeat the process until we get 6 cookies on this pan. All right, Lincoln, now it's time to do the final surprise step. Do you want to show our viewers what we're going to be putting on?
Yes.
Yes, we're going to be adding whole pecan pieces. This is so exciting. And Lincoln already did a demonstration.
It looks like those super motor wires.
They look very interesting, don't they? Yes, they do. So now Lincoln just put one on the cookie batter, and we're just going to push it down a little bit, just gently to hold it on. Now go ahead and put one on each and push down very gently. Not hard. Stop. Perfect. Now keep doing the rest of the 6 cookies. Now one of our very special family members has a severe nut allergy and cannot have anything with nuts. And so this is a great tip if you're making cookies for any party or time that you're going to be with someone who may or may not have a nut allergy. Well, it's when somebody could have something happen to their bodies that's just not good if they eat nuts or any other type of food that they're allergic to. But this lets whoever is eating your cookies know that there are nuts in these, so to stay away. And then you don't have to talk about it. You don't have to forewarn, they don't have to guess, they don't have to ask ingredients. Anyone who has a nut allergy will automatically know not to touch these cookies, but also not have to feel like they have to ask and search out what the ingredients list is, so they can just enjoy their time a little bit more. Now that the oven has preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm going to put these 6 cookies in for 20 minutes, and then we'll take them out. They're gonna be delicious to eat. I'm excited.
Ready?
Yes, ready? Here we go.
We're playing.
There we go. And the wonderful thing about making your own cookies is that you can add your own mix-ins. We used pecans that we broke up by hand, as well as semi-sweet chocolate chunks and white chocolate chunks. But let me give you a few more ideas. You could make the cookies with coconut flakes, almond slivers, and dark chocolate. Or take that coconut and use those coconut flakes with pecans and German chocolate. Another suggestion is to use candied pineapple and pistachios, or use cashews and craisins. All of these options are fantastic choices. Or you can use any other mix-ins you can think of. If you're baking with kids, you can never go wrong with colorful M&M. The batter for these make-your-own cookies makes 4 cups of batter. So if you're entertaining, having a party, this is actually a great way for your guests to get in the action with you, have fun, and make their own cookies with their own mix-ins. You could actually have a cookie mix-in bar to where you take 1 cup of batter and you can give that to 4 different guests, and then of course increase the recipe as needed for however many guests you may have. But in a bowl, give your guests 1 cup of the batter, and then with the mix-in bar of all the different choices, let them fill up about a ½ cup of mix-ins, whatever their choices are, that they can mix that 1/2 cup of mix-ins to the 1 cup of batter, and then they can get cookies from that, have their own pan that they bake, and each of your guests can have their own special cookie to enjoy at the party, or to share, or to take home. It's been 20 minutes, so let's go ahead and get the cookies out of the oven. Oh my goodness, they look delicious. Wow. Look at them right here. They have a nice golden brown around the edges. So delicious. So we're gonna let them cool and then do our taste test.
The cookies are hot out of the oven, so it's time for the taste test. Now, Lincoln, pick out which one you want to try. And you do the taste test first. You can get that big one. Oh, that's a good choice. All right. So now you bite into it. Let me know what you think of it.
It's so good.
Yeah, taste it. Go ahead and take a bite. What do you think? You taste the chocolate in it? It's got chocolate, doesn't it? Let me try it. And I'll see what I get in mine. Because this has some white chocolate, dark.
See?
I got chocolate, but I got some crunch of a pecan.
And mine is a con oatmeal.
It doesn't have oatmeal in it. It's got other stuff in it. Let me try one more bite. White. This is a delicious cookie. People will love these. They'll make it your own, and you can make it any way you want to share. Whatever's in your pantry, whatever you have, mix it in and have your own cookie. These are great.
Hey guys, it's Elise, Bob's granddaughter, and I'm about to try these amazing pecan cookies that he made. Unfortunately, I only have a bunch of little crumbs because my family has been eating these all week because they're so amazing. I mean, I've had these before. They're amazing, but I just want you guys to know that I could taste test them 100 times and still say the same thing. They are so good.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and comment below. We would love to hear from you and what mix-ins you chose to use, and if you ended up doing a cookie party with your friends and letting them choose their own mix-ins. And if you haven't subscribed, please be sure to do so, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you're updated on all of our new recipe videos. And we'll see you with our next one. See ya!